In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize database cards in Notion. If you've ever opened a Notion database and wished the cards showed exactly the details you care about, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep things simple and focus on making your cards both clean and informative. Start by opening the database you want to customize inside your Notion workspace. Any database will work: projects, content calendar, asset library. What matters is that it's already set up with the properties you'll want to display. Next, switch to a view that uses cards, like Board View or Gallery View. Boards organize cards into columns, which is great for statuses or stages, while galleries line cards up visually, which is perfect for image-heavy items or a portfolio. If you don't see those options yet, create or switch to a view that supports them. Now, look to the top right corner of your database and click the three-dot menu for the current view. This is where all the magic happens. From here, open the layout or property settings, depending on what your Notion version calls it. Both lead you to the same core controls for card content and previews. Choose which properties appear on each card. Think of properties like custom fields, tags, dates, status labels, assignees, or any key info you've added to the database. Toggle on what's essential and turn off what creates clutter. You can usually drag to reorder properties, so the most important details, like status or due date, sit near the top. Aim for a balance, enough context to act quickly, but not so much that cards feel crowded. Adjust your card preview settings to fine-tune visuals. If your pages have covers or images, enable the option to show a page cover or the first image inside the page. For text-first workflows, switch the preview to show a content snippet instead. In many cases, you can choose the image fit or aspect, and for galleries, the card size. Use larger previews for visual browsing, and smaller ones to scan more items at once. Finally, review the updated layout and refine it until it matches your workflow. Remember, these changes apply to the current view, so you can keep one view minimal and another richly visual. If something doesn't appear, confirm that the property exists and has values in your pages. Keep iterating until every card highlights exactly what helps you decide, prioritize, and move faster. That's it. Your Notion cards are now tailored to the way you work.